Example number 9. Solve the following logarithmic equation. Log x to base a plus log x minus 3 to base a is equals to log 10 to base a. So the first step, you should ensure that you have the same base, isn't it? So we have the same base. The next step, we get rid of the coefficient. So we don't have coefficient anywhere. We are done, isn't it? Then the next step, we make the right hand side of the equation one thing. It is already one thing, isn't it?
Yes.
And left hand side of the equation one thing, isn't it? Yes. So it means when we remove log to base a outside, addition will change to multiplication, isn't it?
Yes.
So it means here we are going to have x times x minus 3 to be equals to log to base a of 10, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you seeing that? So what you do is addition, if you factorize log outside, addition changes to multiplication, isn't it? Yes. Then now you get rid of the log on both sides of the equation after making it one thing. You get rid of the log on both sides of the equation. So you have x into x minus 3 is equals to 10, isn't it?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
So x times x squared minus 3x is equals to 10. 10 coming this side, it becomes negative 10 is equals to 0. So that is quadratic, isn't it?
Yes.
So which numbers gives you a sum of negative 3 and a product of negative 10? Because quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So you want a sum of b, which is negative 3 and a product of a times c, negative 10. That is negative 5 and 2. Say
yes.
because negative 5 times 2 gives you negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2 gives you negative 3, isn't it? Good. So there we divide this negative 3 to becomes x squared. X squared, we are using factorization. Or you can use quadratic formula, whichever method, so long as you are able to solve for x, isn't it?
Yes.
So here we have x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. So the first two parts you remove x outside is the common factor, x minus 5, isn't it? The common factor, the other side is 2, you remain with x minus is equals to. So here we have x plus 2 times x minus 5 is equals to 0, isn't it? Are we together? So either x plus 2 is equals to 0 or x minus 5 is equals to 0, isn't it? So it implies our x is equals to 5 because here x is equals to negative 2. So negative we don't need because these are not absolute values, isn't it? We don't need a solution which is negative in case we don't have absolute values, okay? So we are only looking for the solution which is positive. X minus 5 is equals to 0, meaning x is equals to 5. So our end result, you say x is equals to 5 because this one is to be ignored in that it is negative in a case where there is no absolute value, okay? Are we together there? Good. So that is how to solve logarithmic equations of that nature. Example number 10. Example number 10.